Can you link your Google or Apple ID to your Starbucks account? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are answering a popular question. Can you link your Google or Apple ID to your Starbucks account? So let's find out what's actually possible and what's not. So here, when you go to the option that says continue with Google or Apple, you might think that it will connect to your existing Starbucks account. But that's the wrong decision because you can't link your Google or Apple ID to an existing Starbucks account because those login options only work when you are creating a brand new account from scratch. So here, if you are new to Starbucks or haven't created an account yet, then yes, you can use your Google or Apple ID to sign up. But remember, that will create a completely separate account. So if you already have an account with stars, saved favorites, and payment method, then switching to Google or Apple sign in means you will be starting over. And there is no way to transfer your info to the new login method. So can you link Google or Apple to an existing Starbucks account? Unfortunately, no. You will have to keep logging in with your original email and password or create a new account if you are okay starting fresh. And with this, I hope this clear things up for you. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.